Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to access the Flipgrid app, which we're going to be using occasionally for our playing assessments. It's super easy and will allow you to record yourself playing something to turn into me from the comfort of your home. We'll start in Google Classroom where all of your assignments live. You will go to your band class in Google Classroom, go to the top of the screen, and click the tab Classwork. Then you'll go down to Assignments. We're going to use a fake assignment today to show you how this works. That assignment is called Assignment SOE number 47. When you click on the assignment, it gives you instructions and a link down at the bottom called Flipgrid and an audio link 025.one step at a time. You can click on the audio link to hear the background recording for the assignment. If you use headphones, you can even have this playing in your headphones as you record your assignment live into Flipgrid.
Number 25, one step at a time. 1, 2, ready, play.
When you click on the Flipgrid link, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. You will click Join with Google and select your school account. You will then come to a Flipgrid recording page that looks like this. You will select the big recording circle icon and give the app permission to use your microphone and camera.
Flipgrid's camera is filled with powerful tools to help tell your story. You can add a filter, frame, text, emoji, ink, and draw on a board. You can upload images or even videos from your camera roll. Record, review, and re-record as many times as you would like. You can screen record and stitch together multiple clips. When you're ready, click Next, snap a selfie, and then click Submit. And remember, you're incredible. You're smart, you're kind, and you are important.